Alright guys, we're going to take a little excursion here on the Lectric XP. And we're going to go try to find this place. Supposedly it's a few miles away. It's called Oak Hollow Park. Oak Hollow Park. I'm thinking it might be a good place to fly the drones. So that other one down there, I'm not too hip on it. So we're gonna go to this one here and try to find it. Doesn't look that far. A few miles, I'll figure it out. Okay, so we're gonna go down the hill here. I think church is in session now. Indeed it is. You see this parking lot's packed with all these cars. People are coming and going. Oak Hollow Park. We will find it. Okay, I think I go down this hill here. And then up this hill, there's a stop sign. So I think I'm pretty sure I go up this hill here. North Irwin Borough. Now I'm not exactly sure. Let me check the map real quick, make sure I'm on the, if I'm not supposed to go up that way or go straight here. Village of Sheridan Terrace. Never heard of it. I know it's got a big hill, which is right here. Is that Morris Avenue? Is that where I was supposed to turn? Up that big monster hill? Yeah, okay. Man, these hills around here are brutal. Okay, so let me see on the map here how close I am. Morris. Okay, so I got to make a left at Timothy Drive. very country-ish out here. Is this it? Timothy? Yep, Timothy Road right here. This is where I gotta turn. Thank God it's not down that thing. Oh, this ain't no great shakes going up this hill either. Yeah, guys, living out here, this is nothing but hills, so these bike batteries are gonna be getting a workout. I can tell you that right now. Here it is, Oak Hollow Park. Okay, wow. Pretty nice out here, actually. Wow. Wow. Real nice. Okay, no dirt bikes and none of that crap. Okay. So, it doesn't say no scooters, right? So I can bring the scooter up here. Until, of course, some Karen shows up and kicks me out, right? So, yeah. So I guess the park goes back that way some, and then there's a lake up here too in the park. It says speed limit 5 miles an hour. Yeah, okay. Sure, that's happening. Now my battery's pretty weak on this thing because I didn't charge it from that last video I made. I didn't charge it back to come out here, but I thought I'd have enough battery to make it. So this goes all the way back in here. Holy cow, look at this. Wow. We got restrooms over here. What else have we got over here? Oh yeah, we're gonna have to go down this way. Check this out. Oh, so this is a big park here. Wow. Oh, they got a picnic going over here. There's the restrooms. Well, looks like I know where I'm going to be coming for my range test for that climber. No doubt I'm coming over here to do that. Wow, this would be a great spot for doing a range test. Haven't found the lake yet, but you can see it on the satellite. It looks like actually it's a pretty big lake. It might be down that way. You might have to walk down there. Yeah, I would say it's down that way. But these hills are pretty ferocious, to say the least, but no problem for the XP Lite. So those people are setting up for something, so I'm not going to bother them. Let me check my voltage because I know it's getting low, right? 47, yeah, it's getting low. So I'm gonna be nursing it home. All right, guys, so we just wanted to take a trip up here to find the place, which we did. So yeah, wow. Nice, real nice. I'll just come in and park right up in here and get the scooter out of the damn car. Okay. All right, guys. I'll talk to you later, man. Have a nice day.